Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 ways to delete a blank page in Google Docs. So if you got an annoying blank page in Google Docs that just won't go away, here are 4 simple ways to delete it fast. So the first one, here you can just see this is the blank page. So you can just put your cursor at the end of the tags on the page before the blank, and then just hit on delete on your keyboard like this, and the blank page will be disappear. And the next one, here you can just highlight the blank page and hit backspace like this, and again it will disappear. And the next one, you can hit on format, go to the line spacing, this one, and tap on custom spacing. So if you see there is a spacing after the paragraph, this one, you can just delete it or try adjusting it. For example, I'm going to go with 0 and tap on apply. And the last method is you can adjust the page margins. So to do this, you can just go to File, tap on the page setup, and adjust the margins. And after that, you can just try adjusting the bottoms in here so that there will be no margins and there will be no blank page at the next page. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.